Hey, so another video about this bracket that actually holds the connectors. This project fell because when this bracket been attached this when this bracket was attached this way, so the connectors was kind of angled up, and the body actually fits properly, but without the batteries. When you connect in the batteries, basically you extend the connectors, and when you extending, so it's much farther, and this part of the body doesn't let the body sit on the pins. So I redesigned the bracket. It looks like this right now, and the connectors, as you can see, straight, so it's horizontal. The only thing, because this frame has angle, I have to put some spacer right here. I spent lots of time to do another part, and finally I did it. So it's right here. I already painted black, and that's how it's supposed to sit there, like that. Then of course the ties all around, and it should keep this bracket. When you will plug it in, you will kind of push this bracket, and this bracket will kind of angle again. So that's why I need this spacer, just to hold this bracket straight as it is right now. So anyways, let me install it, and I'll be back in a couple of seconds. Okay, so finally it's in. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you from the other angle. So again, when I will plug the connectors, it will not move back and forth right here. So this kind of spacer will hold this bracket, and it will make it straight all the time, straight angle. So one more suggestion. I do some kind of interesting projects, but not all of them are perfect. So don't do it before I kind of test it. So this project is done properly. I know maybe it's not that beautiful, but whatever, it works well, and everything goes on, and I tried already. So I connect the batteries, I plug the batteries in, and I put the body on top, and everything fits properly. So let me show you one more thing. 1 second, I'll put the body on. I don't know if it's gonna be visible. So it's right here, as you can see. Here is the body, and the body will not even touch the plugs. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah. So this is a good idea. It took me so long, but now look at the wires and everything. So it's attached properly. Plugs inside, and it's light. So this bracket, as you can see, this one, it was a little kind of heavy. Now it's much lighter because it's smaller, shorter, and plus this is almost nothing, so it doesn't make any kind of weight on the car, which is good. So something like that. If somebody needs the measurements or anything else, I can make another video and explain how to do that, because like I said, I'm experienced already with this problem. So anyways, thank you. If you like this idea, thumbs up. If you have any questions, put the comments below, and I'll answer as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a nice day.